Click API extraction. Select the proxy product you want. Determine the number of IPs to be extracted and the country. Select the proxy protocol, data format, and delimiter. Then click Generate API link. Copy the link to your browser to get the IPs. Copy an IP and open the Surfinite browser. Click Create New File in the upper right corner. Click Manual. Select the proxy protocol. Paste the IP you just copied. Scan proxy. Click Save after successful proxy test. Then click Run. Enter the URL to view the proxy IP. This is the details of the proxy successfully set up. It means you can start to surf the internet safely.